Yeah,
My name, my name's Xavier.
Hector.
Hector. Very nice. We are fan golfer. So today, so we play golf right now. So he got a hitting. Woo, beautiful, right? Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful, right? Come on, you gotta drive right now. Wow, woohoo, far away. Yeah, beautiful, right? Beautiful.
I'm not sure that way.
Yeah, today is February 12th. Okay, so come check out. Okay, thank you. This is my friend right here too.
Hey, Sam.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, nice eagle, Sam.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a great eagle you had.
Thank you.